Propaganda during World War II. The Second World War was a complicated time for both the general public and the authorities, since while the former worried for their safety, family, and homeland, the latter needed to maintain the national spirit and support the soldiers at the front. For such purposes, posters were implemented involving colorful images with strong words. However, while some might think that posters from the 20th century served as inspiration or plea, they were aimed to influence people psychologically. The first propaganda poster, "Every Minute Counts," represents the influence of lost time on the battlefield failures of their soldiers. The technique used in this poster involves fear, through which the authorities strive to scare individuals working at manufacturing factories, urging them to work harder. In this sense, the poster incorporates statistics and figures, implying that every 10 minutes that are lost will lead to less ammunition and weaponry, which will, in turn, postpone the victory. Another poster, "Air Defense is Home Defense," uses the technique of connecting with the audience. In their attempt to recruit as many individuals into air defense, the authorities aim to incorporate a heartwarming illustration of a family that looks in the sky and admires the national military plane. In a way, stereotypes in posters were common during wartime. Here, the objective is to emphasize the pride in national defense and show the general public endorsement of the air forces. The last poster, "England Expects," incorporates the technique of calling to action via bright colors, illustration of the national flag, and words. The phrase "national service" is written in bold red color that is contrasted by the dark blue background, which is used to catch the attention of the audience. Moreover, the number of people illustrated in the poster serves to show the national spirit, urging others to join the forces. Hence, while some individuals might mistakenly believe that 20th century posters acted as calls to action or acts of inspiration, their true purpose was to affect the audience psychologically. "Every Minute Counts" is a propaganda poster that employs the technique of fear to illustrate the impact of wasted time on their soldiers' failures on the battlefield. Another poster, "Air Defense is Home Defense," employs the audience connection strategy. The final poster, "England Expects," employs the strategy of urging action via the use of bold colors, an image of the national flag, and text.